Did you know that the average salary of a digital artist today is over $70,000? Still not impressed? What if I told you that with the help of AI, you don't even have to do much of the work yourself? If you're trying to get a jump start in your career as a digital artist, or confused about the right career path to make easy money, this video is for you, so make sure you stay tuned to the end and keep watching. There are various ways to make money with digital art, but it can be quite confusing just which way to go. Which is why we're going to simplify things by exploring the most effective strategies that other professionals in the art industry are using. Selling digital copies of your artwork. First off, it's selling digital copies of your artwork. Now you're probably thinking along the lines, hey, that was obvious. But as obvious as it seems, it's the plain truth. The overall easiest way to make money with your artwork is to just sell it, instead of hiding your light under the bushel, and I'm pretty sure you know what we're talking about. I'm talking about your collection of digital artworks that you've been storing for ages. But if you don't have one yet, it's nothing to fidget about. You could easily take some online courses, or better still, click on the link in the description below to find out how to create stock photos using AI, alongside some of the best tools that you can make use of. After you're done building your portfolio, all you have to do is upload it across various social media platforms and e-commerce platforms for selling art. This would help you in increasing your chances of being discovered by potential clients or buyers. And that's not all. You can also add an extra edge to your art by offering limited edition copies or personalized digital copies to increase the perceived value of your artwork. Sell physical objects with your art on them. What better way to sell your art than allowing people to do the advertising work for you? You can invest in buying plain t-shirts or mugs, or basically anything that matches with your business goals. It could even be wall art. All you have to do is find someone to partner up with you and help you with printing your artwork on whatever material you plan on selling, and you guys can discuss a commission. But if you don't want to get someone looking into your business, because honestly though, who are we kidding? We've all got all sorts of people running around these days. You've got the cutthroats, the cheats, the liars. Let's just stop at that. But it would be perfectly normal if you get scared about whether or not your partner is going to sell you out or claim that they want a 60% commission, then you could just give them an upfront payment. But if you trust them, then by all means go for it. Provide customized artwork. Have you ever considered letting someone else take the gears for a minute? Rather than designing an artwork based from your own inspiration, you might just be able to help someone out with a digital art as a birthday gift for a friend or their brand, and all you have to do is design based on their specifications and requirements. Aside from money, you can gain a boatload of experience from providing custom artwork for clients, since you'll be learning newer approaches to art styles and themes that you've never tried before. It would also improve your skills as an artist while building your portfolio. You can get a head start on this by joining freelance platforms such as Fiverr or People Per Hour, where you can offer your skills for a set price or a custom price, depending on the nature of your project. Get a commercial license for your AI art. There's just something about certificates that makes a person's resume more impressive, which is why people with certificates always get the job. Now you're probably wondering how this is related to digital art, but get this, it's got everything to do with it. As an artist, you can monetize your AI-generated art by getting a license for commercial use. This means that companies will pay to use your artwork in their advertising campaigns, marketing materials, or product designs. By collaborating with businesses or design agencies, you can showcase your creations on different platforms, which would in turn increase your earnings. When you're renting out your AI-generated art for use, make sure that you retain ownership of your work and that the terms of agreement are fair and transparent. You can also check whether or not it limits your ability to use or share your artwork in the future. But if you're not too sure, you should probably seek legal advice to protect your rights. Teach AI art workshops or online courses. You don't have to stop at renting out your products. You can even share your skills for money. And you don't even have to go over the teaching process 100 times over and over. You can simply create a beginner's guide to creating AI artwork in either an ebook format or video format. After you've done this, all you have to do is sell it on an e-learning platform like Coursera. After doing this, all you have to do is sit back and watch the cash flow in. But the good thing is, you'll also have this feeling of fulfillment knowing fully well that you just assisted aspiring artists in learning the skills needed to create unique AI-powered art. Create and sell NFTs of your AI-generated art. But hold up for a second. Did you know that NFTs generated over $12 billion in 2022 alone? That's an impressive sum of money. And while people think that the hype around NFTs is dying off, some people are still making cool cash from it. Just last year, NFTs generated over $4.7 billion in revenue alone. And the good thing about NFTs is that no one can copy NFT art. You only lose ownership of it after someone buys the NFT art from you. So what do you need to get started anyway? All you have to do is convert your digital artwork into an NFT. You can make use of platforms like OpenSea, Super Rare, Mintable, or Rareable to convert your artwork to NFTs and put it up for sale. But that's not all. The ownership of your NFT would be recorded on the blockchain, which means that your buyers can be assured of the authenticity and uniqueness of your art. We've pretty much covered all the basic ways you can make money as a digital artist, but be careful not to make some mistakes that might cause a huge setback in your journey. For example, many new artists always make the mistake of downloading art in lower resolution than is proper. To get the best artwork that would definitely put a smile on your client's face, you should try downloading the highest resolution possible. Some clients might even assume that you made a poor attempt to copy someone else's work. And even if they didn't, they would probably think twice about hiring you next time. Another solution for the problem of low-res AI-generated images is to use third-party image upscaling software. You can find upscale tools inside editing software like Photoshop, but they also exist as standalone online applications. AI is becoming much more common now, making AI-powered upscalers a popular option across the internet. If your AI generator of choice won't let you increase the resolution of your image, try one of these other options to upscale an image without losing quality. To improve the quality of your work, you can make use of tools like Photoshop to increase or reduce the size of your work, or even change the background. There's just no limit to what you can do with Photoshop when it comes to digital art. Some people even use it to fix mistakes by increasing the realism of their work. Like, you've just got to come across some of these guys who are really good at this hyper-realism of a thing. If you're a new artist who has never experimented on any art-generating tool before, all these probably sound like jargon to you, but not to worry. We have a link to another one of our videos in the description box where you can learn how to create AI art using AI-SO art. And believe me, it's super easy. If you'd also like to explore our channel on more helpful content on how to generate money in tech, then by all means do so. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed watching this video. Until later guys, bye!